Okay, which type of system it is? It seems to be in the first form or not? What is the first form actually? It is.
XOR.
Suppose x is the input. Sorry, x of t is the input. X of t is produces the output as y of t. Similarly, x1 of t produces y1 of t. x2 of t produces
I2 of t.
y2 of t. Then it is scaled a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t produces the a into
I1 of t.
y1 of t plus
B into y2 of
b into y2 of t. This is basic form. We are satisfying the same. ఇక్కడ చూడండి x కి a into x1 plus b into x2. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసరికి సేమ్ అట్లా వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా మన బేసిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ అబ్జర్వ్. దిస్ ఇస్ ద బేసిక్ ఈక్వేషన్. ఇక్కడ x y ఉన్న చోట x plus y a into x1. ఓకేనా? ఫస్ట్ టర్మే ఉంది a into x1. a into x1 plus b into d square by dl వచ్చేస్తుంది ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్. సెకండ్ 2 into y1 ఉండదట a into y1 plus b into y2 plus t square a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t వస్తుంది. దట్ ఈస్ అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇస్ ఇట్ లీనియర్ ఆర్ నాన్ లీనియర్?
linear.
Okay, very good. Satisfying the first seems to be first equation. Exact first equation la ravala. Then it is call it as linear equation. The system is, we can say that. Okay, all of you write one note here. That means we are finding the weighted sum of outputs. Weighted sum of outputs. That is, this is the weighted sum of outputs. Weighted sum of outputs. This is weighted sum of inputs. Weighted sum of inputs. Weighted sum of outputs. That means what is the final statement? It is weighted sum of inputs to the system produces the weighted sum of outputs to each individual inputs. To each individual inputs. That is called. Okay. And also we can say that RHS is a function of weighted sum of inputs and LHS is a function of weighted sum of outputs. Ante kada? RHS is a RHS. This is RH. RH is function of weighted sum of inputs. Input side. LHS is a weighted sum of inputs.
Outputs.
Actually, LHS is a weighted sum of outputs. Is outputs anamata y ante. X means inputs. LHS is the RH is the weighted sum of outputs. Then only we can say that the system is linear. అర్థమైందా ఈ టాపిక్? ఇది చిన్న క్వశ్చన్ ఒకటే రాసాను ఈరోజు. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకోటి రాస్తున్నారా మీరు నోట్స్ లో? బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్? ఓకే ఓకే, ఒకసారి ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ వన్స్ అగైన్ విత్ ఇన్ 2 minutes. This is the d square y of t by dt square plus 2t plus y of t equal to t square x of t. Okay, I'm writing as a first one as x1 produces the input x1 produces output y1. That is the d square y1 of t by dt square plus 2t y1 of t equal to t square x1 of t. Similarly, d square y2 of t by dt square equal to 2t y2 of t equal to t square x2 of t. From this, I'm adding the inputs and outputs. Simply, I'm adding the inputs and outputs. That is okay. That means first plus 1 plus 2 adding. I'm getting like this. Okay, rearranging the terms. That means like this. ఇక్కడ x ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇదంతా ఇన్పుట్ లాగా రాసుకుంటున్నాను. Weighted sum of ఇది y1 ఉన్నది weighted sum of outputs with scaled version. That is linear. Y1 of ఇది sorry ఇక్కడ y ఉంది కాబట్టి మొత్తం outputs గా scaled version. I'm like writing like this. Okay. This is linear system. Next, we will see the small system. Last class we see the exponential. Exponential is linear or non-linear? Exponential. Last class already I explained.
Non-linear.
Non-linear.
Exponential is non-linear. Actually, that exponential is a non-linear function. Simply observing also we can say that. Simply observing. Next we see the another one. And see the another one. Square term. Square term must entama. Square is linear or non-linear? Square is linear or non-linear? Okay. Since I have placed y of t equal to y of t equal to 2 times the x square of t. This is square. 2 times the x square of t. Is it really visible to all of you? Is it visible? Y of t equal to 2
Yes,
times
sir.
the x square of t. Okay, you try writing. You try it. First system that means y1 of t equal to y1 of t equal to produces an output. That
2x
means
x square t.
as a transformation of x of t, x1 of t, x1 of t, that equal to, that means nothing but a transformation, that is 2 times the x square 1 of t, x square 1 of t. Similarly, y2 of t equal to, tell me the answers. Transformation of
x2
x2
of
of
t.
t, x2 of t equal to 2 times the
2 times of
x2
x2
square
square of
t.
x2 square of t.
ఒకసారి చూడండి. Linear combination we will write it a into first one, b into second one. That means a into y1 of t, a into y1 of t plus b into
y2 of t.
b into y2 of t, that is equal to, from a into
2x square on not t.
x1 square of t, x1 square of t plus b into 2 x2 square of t to x2 square of t. మొత్తంలో 2 కామన్ తీసుకుంటున్నాను. 2 times the a into x1 square of t plus b into x2 square of t. x to square of t. ఇది వస్తుంది మనకి. Okay, last class wise y3 I'm writing like this, y3 equal to y3 of t equal to a combination of these two, that is equal to transformation of a into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t. A into A into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t. It's the second one. Input. Actually, input I'm writing. This is input. B into x2 of t. Transformation of a into x1 is a is constant. We may write outside also. Okay. Transformation of x1 of t is total transformation he want. Okay, that is 2 times the total thing. Transformation of see the observe this one from basic principle. Transformation of x1 of t equal to that functional square, total function square, that is 2 into function square. That's why 2 times the this is a total function now. A into x1 of t plus b into x2 of t whole square. ఒకసారి చూడండి అమ్మా, ఈ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇది ఈక్వలా, ఈ లైన్ ఈక్వలా? మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్, లిసన్ హియర్. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఆఫ్ టీ 2 times ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ టీ, ఇది మొత్తం ఫంక్షన్ అనమాట. మొత్తానికి స్క్వేర్ తీసుకున్నాను సింపుల్ గా. మొత్తానికి స్క్వేర్ తీసుకున్నాను. ఏ ఇంటూ x1 స్క్వేర్ ఆఫ్ టీ ప్లస్ బి ఇంటూ x2 స్క్వేర్. ఫైనల్లీ బోత్ ఆర్ నాట్ ఈక్వల్, దెన్ which is not equal to y3 అని రాసిన ఇక్కడ, which is not equal to y3 of t. ఒకటేమో టోటల్ స్క్వేర్ వచ్చింది, ఇంకోటేమో ఇది వచ్చింది. ఓకే, హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఏ linear. Actually, x